How long can you do it for? Can you do like this?
Today, I met Evangeline.
Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
I set her a really creative challenge, making the most amazing cake made of Breyers Vanilla ice cream for her mom.
Wow!
She really had the opportunity to go wild and let her creativity completely dictate her choices.
3!
I heard that you speak French, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, that is really, really cool.
Evangeline is one of the sweetest little girls I've met in a long time.
Cheers. Yum. Do you like it?
It's good.
Do you know what I really love about Breyers Natural Vanilla ice cream?
What is it?
It's that they use all naturally sourced flavors and colors.
I think my mom would like that.
Can you tell me a little bit about your mom?
She loves me and I love her.
She's a pretty special mom, huh? Since you love your mom so much, I thought it would be great if we did something really special for her.
That sounds like a good idea.
Evangeline drew a picture that we would then turn into an ice cream cake using Breyers Natural Vanilla ice cream.
It's gonna be a lot of colors and a lot of flavors and yummy.
And she came up with this magical strawberry chocolate vanilla cake that had her favorite animal on top and her mom's favorite animal on top. I love this.
Thank you.
I have a really special place I'm gonna take you where you can grab everything you want for your cake. All right, Evangeline. I'm about to show you the coolest thing ever.
Wow! That's a lot of candy and treats.
You get to pick anything you want.
Some of those, some of those. I'll get it back.
Evangeline was quiet, a little reserved. As the day went on, she just started taking control in a way that I loved.
Let's do chocolate sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles.
Show me your candy dance.
I like lollipops, gummies.
She came out of her shell as the day went on.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yay!
Yay!
Let's see what's in the fridge. Whoa, there's so many colors. I really like cherries, strawberries, and grapes.
Does your mommy like strawberries?
She
Yeah?
likes it just like me.
Edible flowers?
Can I try one? Tastes like a flower. Let's put a couple in.
We have one missing ingredient.
Ice cream.
Whoa!
Ice cream! That's a lot of ice cream!
That's a lot of ice cream, you're right! It's made with all naturally sourced colors and flavors. Follow me. All right, so we have a cake baking in the oven and we're gonna get this guy in the freezer. So first, we're gonna start with a little bit of ice cream.
Ice cream.
Do you wanna scoop it? Perfect. Look at you, pro scooper.
That's a lot of ice cream.
I know, we're gonna want a lot of ice cream,
Some
right?
over here.
Okay, right over here?
Just gonna need to spread that.
So once we got into it, she really started taking charge.
That's looking good.
She was definitely the chef, and I was the sous chef.
Let's check on the cake.
Look at this baby.
Such a cute baby.
You wanna smell it?
Mmm.
We started building this cake, which just got bigger and bigger and bigger.
Strawberry jam.
How about some real strawberries?
That's enough.
And at one point, I was just convinced that the cake was just gonna out-tower Evangeline.
Do you think we should put the chocolate layer on top? Is that enough?
Not enough for me.
No.
It's all done to me.
This thing that she had drawn was becoming this larger-than-life cake.
I can kind of see everything.
And the fun thing is that the Breyers Natural Vanilla ice cream, it has the little vanilla bean specks, right? You can still see them.
She just kept reaching up there and climbing that cake and decorating it.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Down to the last sprinkle, she knew exactly where everything needed to be.
Marshmallows.
Little mini marshmallows.
To just watch her bring this thing to life, it was really precious.
Bam! Good job. I think your mom's gonna be really happy to see it.
I can't wait to show her.
Come on in.
Look right here.
How are you?
I'm great.
You ready?
1,
2, 3. Whoa! That is an amazing cake. Is that a hippo on top? Oh
A hippo and an elephant because you like hippos and I like
love
elephants.
hippos.
There's vanilla cake, Breyers Natural Vanilla ice cream, of course. There's fresh strawberries, rainbow sprinkles,
Whoa, I love it.
chocolate sprinkles.
I love it.
My favorite part is the ice cream. Breyers is made with all the naturally sourced colors and flavors.
Good job.
It's so yummy.